Do you know how many fruits name mentioned in Quran? Let's discuss another fruit name which is mentioned in Quran.
Our most favorite fruit, pomegranate.
In Quran, pomegranate name appears as Rumman.
It is narrated 3 times in the Quran in different surahs. Two times in Surah Ainam, and also mentioned in Surah Rahman. This fruit was highly recommended by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. They are antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, good for anti-aging and good for your brain.
Like, share and subscribe our channel for more Islamic content.